quick look at this Therm-a-Rest folding sleeping pad. Sort of like an ultralight model. This is a military surplus one. You can see here if you want to look all that up. This has clearly been used and used pretty hard, but I just wanted to make this video to sort of give a testament to these sleeping pads. One, because they're very light. I'll show you how small they accordion up here. It's like literally that, 23 inches by less than 5 inches, and less than 5 inches there. Let me get the weight. 1 pound, 2 ounces. So it's super light, but also very thin. As far as actual sleeping padding, it's very minimal. It's 3/8 pretty much. And then I'll give you the length. It's right at about 6 foot in length. It's about as bare minimal as you can get. It's firm and thin. However, it's light, like I said, and it's very tough. This thing has been abused, and it's closed cell foam. It's sort of not what you expect if you haven't felt one of these. It's more like not rubbery, but it's really tough. Like, you would think with how much this one has been used in this accordion fold here, you would think that I could just rip this like paper, but it's like a rubbery, very strong closed cell foam. And there really aren't any tears in any of these accordion creases, even after so much use. The most wear that I have on this thing, let me see. I'll get stuff like this, like a little, abrasion sloughing off. Not flakes or chips, but you know what I mean. You'll get some dents, or not even, like little gouges kind of, but they don't go all the way through. This stuff is just super tough. So I was looking at the new ones that they make. Therm-a-Rest has been around for a long time. They have now more of a waffle pressing pattern, pressed in pattern onto their new pads. And I haven't used one of those, but having one of these and then looking at the new design, I could really see how the new design would add a lot of extra comfort to this style. Try to give you some sound feedback here. They're easy to wash. You can take soapy water to it, vinegar, isopropyl alcohol, and give them a good wash and air dry. It's not going to absorb the water or sponge it up because it's closed cell hard foam. So I hope that helps a little bit. You get a look at it, and I'll put links for, if they still make flat ones, if I can find them, I will link them, and I will link the new style ones. So yeah, a realistic look at it in person. Subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. Thanks again. Thanks. Bye.